Hello guys, welcome back to the Python series. So this session is continuation for the last session. So before watching this session, please watch the previous session in our channel. So in previous session we are discussed about the arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators and logical operators. In this session we are discussing about the identity operators, membership operators and bitwise operators. Okay, so here identity operators and membership operators are the special operators only designed by the Python only. Okay, so apart from the Python, we never and we can't see the identity operators and membership operators in other programming languages. Okay, so bitwise operators are general operators also. So now first one is identity operators. So we have two types of identity operators. First one is and second one is not is. Sorry, is not. Okay, first one is and second one is not. So let us demonstrate these identity operators by using examples. Okay, so print A is B. So absolutely it gives false because A is 7 and B is 3. So it false. It gives the result is false. A is not B. It gives true. Let's cross check the output. See the output. A is B is false. A is not B is true. So this is called as an identity operators. And the next one is membership operators. So next one is membership operators. So same identity same as identity operators, we have membership operators also. Two types. First one is in and the second one is not in. Okay. So actually demonstrate by membership operators, we can take the list and not a single value. Okay. So let us comment the identity operators. Now take the list li equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and a equals to let us take an example 4. Okay, so now print a in li. So let us check a in li or not. If a in li, it gives the true. If a not in li, it gives false. Okay, print a not in li. Let's cross check the output. See, first one a in li, yeah, 4 in li. So it produces the true. So a not in li, no, a in li, that's why a not in li produces the false. So this is called as a membership operator. And the next one is bitwise operator. Let's comment these membership operators also. Next one is bitwise operators. So we have so many types of bitwise operators. They are, first one is AND operator, and the next one is OR operator, and next one XOR operator, and next one NOT operator. So here NOT operator symbol is negation. Okay, and next one is zero fill left shift operator. Simply we can say it as a left shift operator, and next one is right shift operator. Okay, let's demonstrate these operators by using the examples. Okay, here we can assign b equals to 4, sorry, b equals to 5. Okay, so a equals to a and b. Here a and b performs the AND operation, and the final result will be stored in the a only. Okay, so that's why we will print a. Let's copy the print statement. A equals to a or b. Now print the value of a, and a equals to A XOR B. Now print this value of A, and A equals to A. Negation, what it means by negation? Not, okay, B. Here we print A, and A equals to A. Left shift of B. Now we print A value only. A equals to A. Right shift of B. Now we print A value only. See, A negation B produces an error. Invalid syntax. Actually, NOT operation cannot be performed by the values of 4 or 5. It only performs by the values of 0 and 1 only. That's why it shows an error. So let's delete this operation. Don't worry, forget about that one. We never and ever use a negation B. Sorry, negation operation in anywhere. Okay. See the output. See, first one is A and B produces the output 4, and second one is A or B produces the output 5, and the remaining 3 operations, that means NOR, left shift and right shift, produces the 0 values only. So by practicing by hand, you can demonstrate these values. Okay. Anyway, I hope you understand by the arithmetic operators, assignment operators, logical operators, comparison operators, arity operators, membership operators, and bitwise operators very well. If any doubt, please drop a comment. I will definitely respond. So apart from only listening the lectures, just make a note for everything. You will get a better idea for everything. Okay. Thank you.